Greetings everyone, welcome back to DavidJDevelopment, and today's video I'm going to guide you guys into creating a basic game just like last time we created a game. This one is going to be with cars, but the difference is going to be in this one I'm going to show you how you can exploit the game to your desktop or your computer and share it with your friends. So you have your own game. It's not going to be part of the Unity software anymore. It's going to be your own. It's going to be your game. So let's get ready. It's going to be pretty easy. So let's create a new project. I'll call it racing. Create project. Okay guys, this is going to be fun. Okay, first thing first, I'm going to import my packages like the last video. If you I'm going to do this a little quicker than usual, or as quick as Unity allows me. So I'm importing the environment. And if you want any extra details on some of the things that I'm doing, you can always watch the last Unity video that we had. So I said that I imported the environment. Now I want to import vehicles. These all comes with Unity. Now I'm going to create the environment. Okay, let's add a terrain, 3D game object, terrain, and we have a terrain in our scene, and we are getting ready. Alright, so now let me add the grass texture. Edit texture, add texture, grass. Use this one, add, and we have a texture. We add, let's design a scene. I'll put some mountains. And we have to be careful now because we are designing these skills and we're doing it based on a way that will allow our vehicle to drive, you know. Let's see. I'm trying to design something like some type of road, but you can create however you want. Alright, these are wood things. You can do, you know. Let me lower the size. Okay. Let me add some trees, you know, just for aesthetics. Add a tree, add tree. Add the conifer. Not so much. Lower the opacity. Let me lower it some more. We don't want to block the car from completely being. We don't want to block the car from being able to drive around, so we have to be careful. Trees. You know what? Let me take this out. Alright. So I think this is enough. Okay, now that we have trees and grass and our mountains, I'll put a different texture, just to make things a little interesting. Last time, the last video that we did was about just to get putting things in order, but this time Oh no. But this time we actually wanted to look, look nice. Add texture. Add some mud. Okay. No, design it how you feel like. Have fun with it. Okay, now I think I'm done with the texture right now, with the terrain right now. I'm going to bring the vehicle. Standard asset, vehicle, car, prefab, and I'm gonna put the car in here. And let me fix the camera, main camera, so I can see. I'm gonna fix the main camera so I can see the car. I have to rotate it. Let's move it. Bring it back. Okay. Okay, we have the car in here. Let's see how it looks like. Oh yeah, I think it looks nice. Bring it a little right here. Let's see. Okay. Now let me add a texture on the car. To add a texture like a different color on the car, because the white looks so bland. I want to make it a red car. So I'm going to go right here, right click, create material, and on the material we're going to change the albedo, which is the color, into a red color. Okay, and we can just drop the material to the car, and now we have a red car. And if we press play, we can move the car around and drive around the scene, so we can go anywhere that we want. The only thing is we are going to need the camera. So I have a camera script that I'm going to add to the car, and we'll be able to check the scene around. So camera, asset, create a folder, call it scripts, C#, create a C# folder, nope, not folder, create a C# script, call it camera follow, and this is my camera follow script. Copy and paste, open the script so I can paste it in. Okay, file save. I'll close it. Okay, I'll put the script on the camera. I'll bring the target. I'll put the car as the target, meaning that the camera will be following the car, and it should be ready. And this is very basic and simple. you can go ahead and have fun and design the terrain how you want, and you can see the muddy parts on the mountain, how it looks interesting. And we have the trees, and we have a very big area for the car to travel around. We can import other cars and give them different textures, so this car doesn't stay lonely by itself. And yeah, you have a game. So the next part into this, of course, you can add particle effects and music into the game, but the next part is we're going to build the scene and bring it up to Unity. So to build the scene, first we're going to save the scene. Save scene as, I'll call it car. Save. Alright, the thing is, the whole project is the project. But when you play in a game, like games usually have level 1, level 2, level 3. So each level, in a sense, is a scene. So that's why we have the scene. So, and which is pretty much the same thing as having different levels. So if we go to File, Build Settings, and we see somewhere that up here says Scenes and Build, so you can add your scenes. So if you had like 10 levels, you would have had to add all these scenes or all of these levels in the scene. So add open scenes, and I put the car scene that I just created, that scene that we are looking at, I put it in the build setting, so we can export it from Unity and make it a game that we can share it with our friends and family and stuff like that. So on the platform, these are the platforms that we can publish our game to. We can publish it to PC and Mac, iOS, Android, tvOS, Xbox One, PS Vita, PS4, on Universal, Web, Facebook. We can export it to everything. Like, if you guys want, I can have more videos and get more into details with these and give you the pointers of what you have to go about on publishing to these softwares. Like, if you want to publish to Android, what are the requirements, PlayStation 4 the requirements, and I can make videos on that. So this one I'm going to export it to my PC, so make it a standalone game that I can share with anybody that I want. Okay, so I'll build and run, and I'll put it on my desktop. I'll call it racing. So I call the game racing, and Unity is exporting the game. And just like that, you have a game. Like, you created a game like that you can share with your friends, share with anybody. You can publish it to the Play Store, wherever you want to do it. It was simple. The thing is, if you guys are interested, I'll make more tutorials, more videos on game development or whatever you want. So this is a simple one, and let's wait for this. It's a good thing that this game is not that large, because if it was super large, it would take much longer. This is not a lot of time. This is a good enough time. So yeah, if you guys want me to make more tutorials on any type of thing, any type of other game, maybe scripting, if you are interested, my strong suit is designing and building levels and stuff. But if you want me to create, guide you into coding in C# and put you on the right track and help you look up codes online, I can help you guys with that. Just request it. Okay, so this is the game. It's on my desktop now, and I can just press play and I can play it. So this one, they ask you for, this is the screen resolution, ultra, screen size, and I'll put it windowed. I mean, I can press play, and okay, this is this splash screen that says made with Unity. If you have you can fix that. If you have a paid version, you can get rid of that splash screen. You can make your own. But if you don't have a paid version, you have to deal with the made with Unity. So yeah, this is your game. You can send it to your friends, impress your family and stuff like that. You know, have fun. Alright, thank you guys for watching. See you next time. You can if you want, you can request the type of videos that you want me to make. I have a list of videos that I'm going to make, but if you want any specifications, that would be awesome too. So see you next time. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, because there's a lot of more awesome videos that are coming up. Have an awesome day.